Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve another problem. So in SQL, we completed some of the basic aggregate functions. So project employees, percentage of user attended a contest. That is the last one that we discussed. So we are going to discuss some other problems right now. So we are going to queries, quality, and percentage. So this table may have duplicate rows. That's the first statement here. Query name, result, position, rating. So this table contains information collected from some queries on a database. The position collection has value. The position column has a value from 1 to 500. The rating column has a value from 1 to 5. Query with rating less than 3 is a pure query. So we define query quality as the average of the ratio between query rating and its position. We also define poor query percentage as the percentage of all queries with a rating less than 3. So example, there is an example. So from the question, we will find it will be some word difficult, but the query name, there is a query name result, golden retriever, German Shepherd, mule, all these kind of things, cat. So then position, rating, and we have some other output also. The output should be the query based on the query name. Query name dog has the quality 2.50 and pure query percentage also there. So these kind of things. So the calculation also they mention here to query quality is. So since you can see the rating is 5.1, 5 the position is 1, and 5 by 2 the position is 2, and 1 by 200 divided by you take the average from here. So that's a way we are calculating, and the categories quality equal 2 by 5, 3 by 3, on the same way that we did for dog. So so that's the way this problem need to be solved. So the first thing that we can do is group by with the dog, group by with cat. So based on the query name you can group. Since only one table, you don't need to have a join or a complex join. So just use this on table and group by and do the calculation. So basically it's a very easy thing in my experience with aggregate functions. I guess this is a very easy one. Let's see how we can solve. Then the first thing we need to copy all the database schemas. So let's do that one. Then we can query and we can okay. We can see how we can do the remaining things. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, since I have only one table, I will execute everything in one step. And also I guess there is no queries table that I executed before. So basically I don't need to use any drop table in this case. So here you can see queries. I will give a queue because make it simple when we are using the output specification. You can see all the queries here, results here, and right now you need to go back to your question and need to what exactly we need. So group by you will get this one and the quality and a pure quality percentage, that are the two rows you need. So here if I am just putting group by q dot query name, and here q dot query name. Also you can solve in this way also. Just for one dog and cat. So I got that one. And for what is quality and pure quality percentage. So quality and one as pure quality percentage. Typos. Okay. So pure quality percentage. Probably there is percentage, that spelling is correct. Pure query percentage. It's not quality. Yeah, the first one is quality and the second one is the pure query percentage. And we need to decide how we will calculate these things. Quality, how you will calculate quality, and how you will calculate pure query performance. That's the part we need to be. So everywhere it's rounded into two. That's fine. That we don't need to care about that. From the description again, you need to go back to your description. How you will calculating the quality, and pure query performance is like 1 by, so how is calculated in 1 by 3. So here you got 2.50. That's okay. That's I'm okay with that. But here how these things happening. Here 1 by 3, 33%. So quality equal to okay. Pure query percentage 1 by 3. How this 1 by 3 is coming. So that's you need to be aware of. We also define pure query percentage as the percentage of all queries with the rating less than 3. Okay. So in this case, you have rating less than 3. You need to find that percentage. So for the dog query less than 3, I have only one. 1 out of 3. That's 33%. And here also the same. So that's also we need to find. So basically there is a lot of calculation is coming on this one. So let's see what are the solutions others mentioned, because group by is fine because that's the only thing we need to do, and quality is also fine. Finding a quality is also easy here. But the real problem is coming on the pure query percentage. How we can do that? You need to use case. So case. So just use a case. That's fine. Let me check there is any other ways of doing this. But I guess that's the only thing we can do in this case. Let me check. But yeah, but there are some other alternate solution also. So some case when writing is less than 3, then 1 else 0. That's the thing. So then you just sum that things for each one, and then you divide by count, count query name. So that's one solution. And the other solution, the solution utilizes window function which allow calculate across a set of rows related to the current row. So basically that thing partition using without the group by. We are not going to discuss that one. The third solution would be more straightforward average function instead of using average. Okay, that also doesn't make any sense for me. So we can use a case, that's fine. And the other one, average, you can use, but we don't gonna use that one also. We just use the, so first we can calculate the first one, or first we can calculate the second one. Second one is a more complicated one, so I am going to calculate that one. Otherwise, these things are going without any solution. So format, beautify, just I will make everything into one one line each because we have a lot of things to do. So the first thing you need some of what. So that's a question. So only thing you know from this is the rating, right? So you have a rating. So I am saying like uh, if I am just summing the rating, right? Just summing the rating and output that into what I am getting 11 and 9. That's fine. So, but actually, I don't need rating. So in this case, all the rating from dog and cat calculated separately. I don't need that. I need a function. I need a function or case or sage or if else statement like that to find if my rating is less than 1, I will return 1, and if it is not less than 1, what's gonna happen? I return 0. And then in a case scenario you need to use int. Okay, so let me beautify this one so then we can have a better look on the query. Okay, so here is the thing. So some case when rating is less than 3, then 1, else 0, that's it. Okay, in this case if I am just summing, what's going to happen? You will find 1 1, right? Right now this also will not solve my issue. or the problem statement. So you need to find the percentage. Percentage, how you can find the percentage? So you are dividing by the number of queries, right? So in this case, what's going to happen? You just should divide, but before divide or after divide, I need to multiply with 100. Then only I will get the percentage. So basically, it's just a mathematical operation. Other than that, there is nothing. Okay. So let me beautify the query again. So we are finding the sum, but that also not solve my issue. In the result, I they need these things to be two decimal rounded values. Okay, so right now it's we got the result 33. So the first the second part is done. We can go to the third part. Third part is almost straightforward. So it's basically rating into one divided by position or something like that. Let me check what exactly the result need. So the queries you need 5 by 1 rating divided by position, and you need to sum and divided by how many. So that part is fine. So again, we should have a round answer. Okay. So here you are summing what exactly. You have two things. One is the rating. Okay. One is the rating, and you are multiplying that with the 1.0, and you are dividing by position. So why I am multiplying with the 1.0? To make it digit, I guess. Otherwise, if it is rating, um, so from the example, so the rating is 555. That doesn't make any sense if you are multiplying with 1 or something. But yeah, we can keep it in that way. So then, and it will not make any problem to us also. So the next thing I need to count the number of, okay, here there is a real problem. So count query name. Okay, count query name. Okay, that's also fine because this is a aggregate function and you can use the sum rating divided by position, and you are dividing this one, and the solution is easy after that. Okay, so we are done with the solution almost 2.50.6x. Okay, so everything is working as expected right now. Let me beautify the query once again before I am taking that query and executing our Leetcode. So beautify query, that's done. And in future, I will publish all this into my website, but not right now. Test cases are running. Accepted runtime 272 milliseconds. So basically, we are okay. The things are working fine, and we found the solution. Thank you for watching. Took some time to complete this whole stuff, but anyway, it's fine. We learn case here. So that's only new things when we yeah we when we compare it to the our old queries or old problems. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.